You're gonna love this. It's gonna literally take you about 2 minutes to make this anniversary card. We're gonna go to build your own, choose the vertical layout, hit customize, leave it 2-panel standard, and then we're going to add a photo. So these photos are in our private Facebook page. Scroll over, and then I'm assuming that you would have seen an anniversary card on Facebook. You save it on your desktop, add the image in, and then this anniversary quote, I'm changing it also here to a picture layout. This little anniversary quote is in our Facebook group, so just save it on your desktop and add it in, just like we did here on the back. If you don't want to customize, or if you don't want your custom back panel on there and you just want it to be strictly a keepsake card, change the layout on the back as well. If you're seeing your panels, then just hit create a new one, and then you can add something like this. Love is just a word until someone comes along and gives it a meaning. Make it a keepsake card by adding a name to it, and just like that, you've got a cute little anniversary card. See, now wasn't that easy? All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help.